Welcome friends once again to our YouTube channel. We are from Techno Predator Consultancy. Our main aim is to provide the interface between academy and industry. We provide trainings and consultancies to the various industries and academies in engineering and energy sectors. Our today's topic is quite simple, but it is very relevant to understand. That is understanding electricity demand and consumption. So generally scholars and there are various people I met in the organization as well as in various colleges. They have a misconception between the demand and the consumption. So this compelled me to make a video. It's a very simple video. It's a 2 minutes 3 minutes video would be there, but you will be able to understand the concept of this topic. So I am taking a very simple example to make you people understand. So I have taken here two different examples. One example is we are having 100-watt bulb here which is running for 10 hours. So the total energy consumption here is 1000 watt hours. That is equivalent to 1 kilowatt hour. And in the second example, we have taken 10 bulbs having 100 watt of capacity running for 1 hour. So the total power consumption is 1000 watt hours, which is also equivalent to 1 kilowatt hour. So in both the examples, the energy consumption is same. So to go more into detail of this example, to clear our understanding with respect to consumption and demand. So there are 10 bulbs. Again, the 10 bulbs are running for 1 hour and one bulb running for 10 hours. The consumption is equivalent. So we can say that consumption is same here. In this example, consumption is same. That is 1 kilowatt hour. So this entire 1 and 2 examples, the consumption is same. That is 1 kilowatt hour. But if we talk about demand, so demand would be different. So once we talk about demand, like suppose a supply is given to one bulb and the supply is given to 10 bulb, the backside utility would be different. That means if we talk about the design of the utility, that would be different. For example, suppose a distribution and the transmission line is there, okay, and there are various equipments running. In that case, the size would be different. It would be having a bigger size, but only a small equipment is running, the size would be smaller. So in this case, like a small bulb is there, in this case the size of the cable would be very less. However, if we compare with this example which is having 10 bulbs, the size of the cable would be bigger. And other utilities, if you talk about, like suppose this is only an example, suppose if we talk about an industry is running on motors, okay. So if a small 1 kilowatt motor is there, then in that case a cable size would be different, the entire utility would be different, it would be smaller in size. If we talk about there are thousands of motors are there, then in that case the size of the transformer would be different, size of the transmission cables would be different, distribution cables will be different. So all sizes are calculated basis this connected load, okay. So this becomes your connected load, how much load is connected, okay. And once that load starts running, like suppose you have 10 volts bulbs of 100-watt capacity and all the 10 bulbs are running, that becomes your demand. That means your 1 kilowatt is the demand. You have to design your utility basis this demand only, and in this case this is zero point 0.1 kilowatt only. So your utility, the cost of utility, like the cost of infrastructure will be less in case of single bulb, but will be very high in case of 10 bulbs, or I would not say very high, it could be moderate, depends upon the capacity of the equipment. I hope you understand the concept of demand and consumption. If you have any query, any comment, please let us know. We'll be happy to answer your questions. And in the last words, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. We will be uploading more videos, and this will give us inspiration to upload more and more videos to make your understanding clear, to make your concepts clear. Thank you.